Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE and I'll show you how to customize quick launch from power key button on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. Click here to side button and you'll see here double press switcher is turned on. Just to customize the quick launch, for example from camera app, you could switch it here to open up. And here you'll see all of the applications which you could open by double press the power key button. For example, let's use the maps. Just let's twice press now to power key button, and as you can see the map successfully enabled. We could also click here to the settings just to switch this option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.